Lazarus House Ministries is
a spiritually based organization
that welcomes all in the name of God.
It provides a continuum of care.
Encompassing but not limited to
food and shelter,
clothing, advocacy,
work preparation,
health services,
a listening ear,
a welcoming heart,
the restoration of dignity and self-respect
to people who are poor and in need.
One of these and one of those. Okay.
The goal of the entire ministry is to help a person or a family move out of poverty. And we do that through the multiplex of our services, because poverty is a very complex issue. And we cannot just attack hunger or just attack homelessness or just attack jobs or education. For someone who is poor, the stars have to be in perfect alignment. All of the pieces must be addressed so that their family can move out of poverty. And that's what we try to do at Lazarus House.
I found out about Lazarus House. My mother works for Sparkle Cleaning, and she used to go to learn English. And that's how I got through the classes of GED. And I met Ann, and she didn't even have to tell me to come in. I would just come in on my own day, study, and actually pass for the test, which I knew I was gonna have trouble with the math, but at least I passed the rest. And from there on, I started going to the cooking classes. This was the perfect place. I was like, please put me here. About to get the job permanent, and just trying to do the best for my 3 girls. Living with my stepsister right now, so we can soon move out to our new apartment.
I came in one day at like 2 o'clock and Michelle was on with Murray, and all the pasta was done and everything, and I was just so happy because it was the first time in weeks that I didn't have to do it.
With my kid.
Yeah, I'm thankful for the places like Lazarus House that they have for people, that need the help. Because I didn't know where to go, and my mom went there to learn English, and she was the one who recommended me to Lazarus House. And I'm happy that there's actually people out there like them that go all their way, because they don't just help you, they do everything possible to get you, to accomplish your goals. So I'm grateful for that.
I can say they help people because they open the opportunity for people to learn to speak English, and that's very important in this country, to get appointment or go everywhere. So that's something that we need. I went to the job training. The program is just for a couple of months. We don't stay forever. They was looking at places for us. They help you. That's something that I can see from Lazarus House.
We opened in 1983 as a 5-bed shelter, and as we saw the needs in the community around us, we expanded, all based on the needs of our guests. So the first thing that we opened was a soup kitchen so that people wouldn't have to stay out in the bad weather. We then found a site for our first thrift store, so we were able to fill the needs not only of our guests, but of the neighboring community, because so many of the people were poor. Welfare reform came in, and we added a work preparation program, and since then we have expanded that program.
His.
Okay.
Every night I work. I bring my daughter with me work because I don't have money for babysitter. Only 2 hours. I pay a night something, some $33 in the week. So I don't have money.
The ability of people to buy food for their families is diminishing. It's creating a great deal of tension among people. And our numbers have gone from 200 families a week in April to a high 3 weeks ago of 785 families. And we're serving anywhere between 550 and that number, 785 families a week. That's just in our food pantry. And that hopefully it's the first service in our ministry in the sense that it's our way of trying to prevent homelessness. We ask people to shop with us first, supplement what we have with their income and be able to save as much of their income as possible to pay their rent and provide the basic needs for their children. It is you who give a future to so many hundreds of thousands of people. Without you, we would have to close. So we thank you for who you are and for all you do for God's people.
Thank you guys for helping out.
My turkey's bigger than both of you put together.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.